Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Samsung 65-inch class OLED S90F 4K Smart TV, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know, if you're anything like me, you spend way too much time in front of a screen. Between work, family, and hobbies, we can easily clock up 8 hours a day staring at our TVs. And let me tell you, having a good one makes all the difference. That's why I'm super excited to dive into the Samsung 65-inch class OLED S90F 4K Smart TV. Is it worth the hype? This TV is specifically designed for those who love streaming their favorite shows and movies, but also enjoy gaming and watching live sports. It's perfect for anyone who wants to elevate their viewing experience without breaking the bank. Now, I know what you're thinking: what makes this TV so special? Well, let me tell you about some of its standout features. First up, we have the NQ4AI Gen 3 processor. This thing is a beast, powering Samsung Vision AI1 to upscale your favorite content and put you at the center of the action. With 128 neural networks, it delivers an exceptional 4K experience for streaming, gaming, live sports, and more. But what does that really mean? Well, when you're watching a show or movie on this TV, everything on screen feels buttery smooth, whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. It's like having your own personal butler, making sure the visuals are always top-notch. Another feature I'm obsessed with is the powerful brightness and deeper contrast in every pixel. This thing can illuminate even the smallest details, revealing nuanced detail in each scene that just wasn't there before. It's like having a spotlight shining directly on the action. And then there's Motion Accelerator 144 Hz, which basically means you get to experience smooth visuals and elite speeds for VRR gaming. Whether you're dodging bullets or racing cars, this TV has got your back. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about HDR+? Well, let me tell you, the Samsung 65-inch class OLED S90F 4K Smart TV can transform content to HDR-like quality with brighter highlights, more vibrant colors, and clearer details. It's like having a magic wand that makes your favorite shows look like they were shot on IMAX. But what do real customers think of this TV? Let me tell you, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. With a 4.3-star rating out of 437 reviews, it's clear that people are loving this thing. Of course, no product is perfect, and I did encounter one issue during my review: minor motion blur in some scenes. But overall, this TV performs beautifully day to day, delivering seamless visuals and fast response times. So, should you buy the Samsung 65-inch class OLED S90F 4K Smart TV? In my opinion, if you're looking for a high-quality TV that can keep up with your active lifestyle, then yes, it's worth considering. But if you're on a tight budget or don't plan on doing much gaming, you might want to look elsewhere. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.